Just hours ago, the St. Louis Public School Board approved a new relocation plan for schools impacted by the May 16th tornado.
Now, this first plan was met with backlash from the teachers, union, and parents. 5 News 5's Laura Barcheski has details on the changes. Laura.
Mike and Kelly, this is basically an entirely different plan, except for a couple of things that stayed the same. The school district says the teachers union has signed off on the new plan, and now all but one school board member has too. The American Federation of Teachers, Local 420, along with other unions that represent St. Louis Public School staff, sent a joint letter and protested last week over relocating students from schools affected by the tornado. They were concerned about student and staff safety if they combined certain students with others. The school board also couldn't reach an agreement on the plan and asked the district to work with the unions. In a special Zoom meeting Monday, Superintendent Dr. Millicent Borchade presented a new plan with some big changes. Fresh Start and Sumner students will now be going to Stevens. Yateman will be going to Blewett. Soldan will be going to Gateway STEM. Ashland will be going to Jefferson. Hickey will be going to Walbridge. Washington Montessori will be going to Ames, and Beaumont will be going to Clyde C. Miller. Dr. June Berry, principal of Gateway STEM High School, says they're excited to help support Soldan students.
We have been able to identify classrooms for the students for each of the teachers from Soldan High School to be able to have their own classroom, and making sure that these spaces are clean and making sure that they're prepared to welcome students within the building.
And while they were able to approve this new plan, there was still a lot of frustration.
I am just really disappointed in all the adults in this whole thing. We have all failed, and now parents, it's 5 weeks away from school and they don't know where their children are going to be. And I would be really mad if it were my school. And I hope that we can all work better.
Approximately 2,000 students have been displaced, and the district has to figure out how to get them to school.
We've been working really diligent for having social workers contacting families to make sure that their addresses have been updated in our focus system. And once they are and have been updated in our focus system, we on the transportation side will begin to develop routes.
The president of AFT Local 420 said in a statement, this collaboration is a testament to what we can achieve when we commit to finding a solution together. The conversations were direct, but at every step, we reaffirmed our commitment to working together to provide our students, teachers, and administrators with the safest possible educational and work environment.